Hello student, today we will solve chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variable. From the name of chapter, it is clear that what type of equations we have to deal in this chapter. Linear equation in two variable means we have equation with two variable like x, y, p, q, and linear means whose degree is 1, means exponent of both variable is 1. Like examples, 2x plus 3y equal to 1 equal to, because we are dealing with equations, so equation have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Another example, x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. These are examples of linear equation in two variable. In both cases, both equations, it has two variables and with the exponent 1, means degree 1. In general, we can say that ax plus by plus equal to 0, where a is no coefficient of x is not 0, coefficient of y is not 0. Let us now for how to find the solution. Suppose we are equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5. We have to find the solution by substituting the values of x and y, different values of x and y. For that values of x and y is a solution in which left hand side of this and right hand side of this equation become equal. Suppose left hand side is 2x plus 3y and right hand side is 5. Now we find the solution. Find the value of x and y. Suppose we put the 1 in place of x and put y 1 in place of y. 2 1 are 2 plus 3 1 are 3, we get 5. Both answers are same. Both values of left hand side and right hand side are same. Therefore 1 and 1 is the solution of this equation. Solution of 2x plus 3y equal to 5. This is the method how to find the solution of equations. Now we start exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. In this exercise we have given a statement question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Aftab is telling to his daughter that my age was 7 times greater than your age, and also 3 years from the now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. And he is also telling that I will become 3 times more than you after 3 years. Means in this type of questions we have always deal with the present age. So let us suppose let the present age of Aftab is x. Similarly, present age of daughter, let present age of daughter is y. Now we have two cases. One is 7 years ago, other is 3 years from now. Now write down 7 years ago. First case, 7 years ago, age of Aftab will be, आप बताओ हम 7 साल पहले आफ्ताब की एज कितनी होगी. मीन्स वी हैव गो 7 years बैक. तो इफ वी हैव टू गो बैक we have to minus 7 years from his age. Like suppose your age, present age is 15. If I am asking you what is your age 7 years before, 7 years ago, then how to calculate your age? 15 minus 7, means that time your age is 8. Similarly, if present age of Aftab is now x, 7 years ago what is his age? X minus 7. Similarly, age of daughter y minus 7. According to question, we are given that 7 years ago, I was 7 times. His father is telling that, okay, 7 years ago, my age was 7 times from your age. Now, this is the age of father. This is the age of daughter. You all of know that whose age is greater? Father is. So when we have to make it in the form of a question, so we have always multiply with smaller term. Here smaller is girl daughter age. So we have multiplied 7 with the age of daughter. If we multiply with the father, then father become more and more greater. So we have to multiply with smaller term. Now x minus 7, 7 minus y minus 49. x और y कोफिशिएंट को एक साइड ले जाओ. x minus 7y minus 49 plus 7 equal to minus 42. We have equation x minus 7y equal to minus 42. This is the first equation. Now second, also 3 years ago, I shall be 3 times as old as now. 3 years from now, and he is 3 year, his age is 3 times. Now let the age of 3, second case is 3 years ago. 3 years now, from now. 3 years from now. Age of Aftab x plus 3. Age of daughter y plus 3. According to question, x plus 3, y plus 3. Now which age is smaller? Daughter age, so we have to multiply 3 with the daughter. Now multiply 3y plus 9. x वेरिएबल्स x और y को एक साइड ले जाओ. x minus 3y, 9 minus 3, x minus 3y equal to 6. Now this is the second equation of second case. First we have x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Second equation is x minus 3y equal to 6. This is algebraically representation of equation. Algebraically representation. Now we deal with now graphically. When we have to deal with graphically, we find the solution. Now first equation, x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Second equation, x minus 3y equal to 6. First make a box. We find two values of x and y which satisfy this equation. In mostly we take value of x is 0. If value of x is 0, 7y equal to minus 42, minus cut minus y is equal to 42 upon 7, it is 6. Now if x is 0, y is 6. Second value, please check here from there multiple of y is 7. So we have to choose value as a multiple of 7. So there is 7, we can take value of x as 7. So take x as 7, put 7 in this equation. Minus 4 plus become minus 7y equal to minus 49. Y is equal to minus 49 upon minus 7, minus cut minus 7 7 are 49. So we have obtained x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, two values. Now similarly find another two solution of another equation. Write down here x and y because we have two variables x and y. Now put the value of x equal to 0. If x is 0, find y. 6 upon minus 3, y is minus 2. Y x is 0, y is minus 2. 3 is in divide because here 3 is in multiplication. We know that multiplication is multiplication become divide become multiplication. So if because these two terms are in multiply. If there is no sign, 3 into y, so multiply term, when it goes to another side of equal to, then it go by divide. So next two terms here, 3. So we find the value of x as multiple of 3. So we write down x equal to 3. 3 minus 3y equal to 6. 3y equal to 6 plus either whenever it goes to equal another side of equal to it, then it changes their sign. 3y equal to 3, y equal to 3 upon minus 3, its value is minus 1. We have two values. If x equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Now we find the solution of both equations. Now we draw these two lines on graph. Now take a graph paper, locate these points on graph as we have studied in 9th class. Now we have first value of first equation is, we are given 0, 6. First solution is 0, 6. Second is 7, 7 of first line. First is 0, 6. Take x as 0, y is 6. Take this point. Now second point is 7, 7. X is 7. Go here. This 7. 7 scale. X is 7. Then y is 7. We find the value y. Then go draw a horizontal, the vertical line parallel to y. X is here, y is 7. Now draw a parallel line in such a way parallel to x-axis. This is a point of 7, 7. Now we have 2 points. We find 2 points. Join these 2 points. This is our solution of first equation. First equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Now solution of second equation is, we have 2 points, 0, 0 and minus 2, 3 and minus 1. We have 0 and minus 2, 3 and minus 1. We find the two solutions of second equation. Now 0 and minus 2. 0 is x-axis, minus 2 means y, value y. We reach here. This is the coordinate 0 and minus 2. Now second is x is 3. Take x is 3. Y is minus 1. Y minus 1 means value of y. We go downward parallel to y axis. This is a point where x is 3, y minus 1. Now we find second point. Now draw a line through these points. With the help of scale, the line should be straight. Now this is the solution of second line, x minus 3y equal to 6. Now we draw the graph of both lines. This is a graphically representation of these two equations. Thank you.